If you don't know your Facebook password, your IG password, your TikTok password, your YouTube password, all the apps on your phone, I'm going to show you in this video how to access all your password in one page on your phone. So watch this video. Let me show you how to recover all your password on your phone. Settings and scroll down. Click on your Google. You see your Google Gmail, okay? Just click on your Google Gmail this way. You see all the Gmail account on your phone. Click on this, manage your Google account. Click on it. When you click on it, it will bring you to this interface. Slide down this way and click on security. It will bring you here. Just slide down this way until you see your password manager. Click on your password manager. It will bring you to all the account you have on your phone, okay? Let me slide and see my Facebook account. You can see my Facebook here. Look at my Facebook, okay? Click on it. Scroll down. To see your password, what you need to do is just to click on this eyelid. Slide down this way and check the account you're looking for the password. You can see it. Now, if you want to see your Instagram password, look at your Instagram password. Click on it. You see the password here and the login details. Everything is here. You can see them here. Okay, return back. Any app you want to access the password, or the app I have registered with password is here. You can see it. All of them are here. That's how to access it. Anyone you want to access, just click on it. It will take you to where you see the password. If you find it useful, do well to share this video so that others will benefit.